Alright guys, welcome. It's the next day. It's Monday. It's 6 o'clock and we just woke up because the snow is like, it went down over last night. Yeah, it's really big. That's why we don't have school. Ding ding. Ticka ticka ding. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, don't forget to share this video. And we're almost there. We're almost at 700 subscribers. Thank you guys. We won't be here without you guys. If you didn't subscribe, please do. What are you waiting for? You already know we're good because I know in the beginning we were like we didn't know what to do, but now we're pros. So let me show you the snow. See you guys in the next clip. So there's snow outside. Let me just show you guys real quick. It like got some. See, I don't want to make that much noise because there's people are sleeping. People are sleeping and it's like 6 o'clock. So look, people are sleeping. Excuse me?
Dude, this snow is actually deep.
Excuse me,
Dude, this is actually deep. I'm not lying, bro. I can't take it.
Okay, so look at this. Let's see how deep it is.
Dude, look at it.
Oh,
so
my
deep.
feet!
Dude, look at your foot. It's sinking.
Oh, dang. I don't want to ruin it. Look at our car, bro.
Get in before the camera, please.
Okay. I don't want you guys to get cold. You're shaking too. I know.
Oh, what about my son?
Guys, it's like 3 inches off from the sky. You want to see our backyard? Sorry if it's shaking, because I'm really freezing mine. Oh my gosh. Look at that. You guys want to see something? Look. Look how deep that is. We will vlog later. Alright guys, let's go outside. Oh, it's so cute, guys. Look at that. Look, oh. Okay, let's see. Look at these. Okay. Look at our stairs, guys. Guys, it's almost spring and it's snowing.
My shorts.
Oh, Christmas tree.
Whoa.
Guys. Hey.
Look how deep this is, guys.
It's like
Look.
3 inches off from the.
Look how deep that is.
It covers my feet. Hey, you wanna go on the road?
And it's still snowing.
Mark, this is so deep. Look at that. This don't look down. This is up a notch.
How are we gonna go back inside? Bro, let's go back inside, bro. Dude, the camera's getting wet. Move it out of the way.
Whoa,
What is that? Alright, we're gonna go wake up after now.
What? What? Scandals. I was wearing scandals with no. Hey guys! So, guys, before you enter the state of America, with the snow like tumbling down on you, you always gotta put the snack. You gotta go Lunchables. Put some a little some pepperoni on top of it, and then just after this is gonna zoom. So let's wait until we're ready, and then we're gonna go zoom on the basketball on the snowfield. See you guys in a little bit. I know I said that, but with everybody, not addicted, okay? See you next clip.
Alright guys, looks like it's gonna be a really big snow today. Well, there's always, it's already a big snow. Oh yeah, look. Oh man, see, look, it's all over the place. Oh boy. So look at this. Isn't it beautiful? Beautiful. Oh, look at that. Everything is turning white. Okay, so you know what guys, you know what that means? It's time to play outside with the kids. Yep. Oh wow, man, I wish this would be like Chuuk. Can you imagine if this would be like Chuuk? Everybody would be playing outside in the rain. I mean in the snow. Whew. Oh boy. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna make some room so I can. Yeah. Good morning.
Hi! I'm gonna come out.
Alright guys, you know what I'm doing right now? Okay.
I'm a human snowman.
Oh, here. We're just gonna play outside, and I'm gonna enjoy some coffee. So, yeah. Okay. So, I'm gonna take some water. Yep. Oh, I'm gonna leave that there. Take some water. I'm just gonna use a local Chuukese style. Get a pot. I don't want to take anything fancy out or use anything fancy. I'm just gonna use that. Okay. Rinse it off a little bit.
Dad, it's about to die.
Yeah. Okay. Here. Show it. You gotta show it. See?
Boy.
I'm gonna boil some water. Oh yeah. Camping style. Oh, I think I need to show you something. Come here.
Let's go find the other. Let's go.
Okay. Alright, see, we got the coffee right here. Alright.
I'm a human snowball, don't judge.
So we gotta put some coffee. Oh, look at that coffee right there. Uh-huh. Yeah, hold on. Just give me a minute. Then we gotta put that over here to do the camping style with a little bit of water. Can. Oh, look at that coffee right there. What better way to do you know, just hang out here in the snow and.
My bike is stuck to the tree.
Ah.
I can't take it out.
Oh, I think I need a little bit of trimmer.
Oh
There we go. See, when you're out in the wilderness.
Look, I can't try my. Never mind.
Put a little bit of cream.
I was like this. I was like.
Oh boy.
I know.
Now that's what we're talking about. See my station here, it's active, so if you stop by here, you can have some coffee. So in the meantime, put this over here. Set this aside. That over there.
No more dirt. Pause it.
Oops. Hold up. Let's go by the fire first. Warm up a little bit. Alright guys. These guys are cold, so we gotta go by the fire. If you guys if there is snow at you guys' place or wherever you are, let me know. Let us know what you guys are doing right now, because we are just having fun. Here, stay by the fire. Yeah, put your hand over the thing, see? Yeah.
Ah, that's hot.
Yeah. Warm it up.
my station, ladies and gentlemen. Got my fire going, my coffee. Not even out in the woods here, just outside your house. Oh man, this coffee. This is just what you need out here.
This guy's so comfortable in his bed. Huh? Are you comfortable in your bed?
Yes, it's actually pretty comfy.
Really?
Outside.
Yes. What? Let's see how you build your snowman.
Boss, do you need help?
Hmm?
Right there. That's our body. Yeah.
Our island snowman is ready. Little close up on the.
We should take a picture. That should be our thing for the picture. When they press the video.
Don't touch it.
Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you like this. Sorry it was short, but we just did a vlog just playing in the snow. And we made our little friend over here. What's his name, Austin?
Hey, comment below. What's his name?
Yeah, you can pick his name. You see the Hawaiian style, because people in normal days, they just on snow days, they just put carrot and then eyes and hands. But we do the island way. We put lace and a hat, and the same thing what people do. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so you can get notified every time we upload. And thank you for all those subscribers. And we're almost there at 700. See you guys in the next video. Peace.
Alright guys, you guys are awesome. It's ridiculous. Peace.